Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love fight. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Virgo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo. Send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. And welcome back all my subscribers as well. Thank you so much for being here again. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so the cards I have on the table right now is the Six of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, Five of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, the Magician, center of my spread. Wow, what is this Magician trying to manifest here? Then I have the Three of Swords, Ten of Wands, Seven of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. Alright, so underlying energy here that I have is of the King of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe somebody was not stepping up to the plate, a bit ungrounded here. There was a little imbalance in the equal give and take of a partnership or a situation. Maybe there were some harsh words which were spoken. Could have been a bit of a fight because somebody never really put in the time, effort, investment, and it's led to some heartbreak here. Whatever fight happened, there is a Magician here, center of my spread, now trying to figure out what to do to end this fight. Things are becoming a little overwhelming now because my partner is still very upset and angry with them, I feel. What I'm going to do, Virgo, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards, then we'll clarify all these and see what's happening here. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Virgo and their person. Thank you. Virgo and their person spirit, they could say something to each other now. Virgo and their person. Alright. And let's take a few from here. Virgo and their person. Okay. Good to go, Virgo. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. I told you there was no equal give and take in a situation. Maybe this King of Pentacles was just not ready to step up and make, dreams come true here for the two of you. And that's what led to this argument or fight. I can feel your frustration with not being able to express yourself to me. You're overthinking things too much. Perhaps you could consider writing things down to get some thoughts flowing on paper to clear your head. You knowingly brought me into a clusterfuck of a situation. I trusted you to do what was right and you let me down. So yes, that is a Queen of Wands who is very upset and angry. I get so triggered seeing you do things for the karmic that I want you to do for me. It pisses me off because we should be together. Why are we wasting time for? Because somebody was not making any decision here, giving breadcrumbs and getting defensive. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul, because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. Yes, I do see a big broken heart with 3 very painful swords in them. So whatever's happened here seems maybe at the moment as irreparable damage. but there is a magician here who's trying to manifest, I think, a repair here. Let's see. I want to hold you and never let go. And the last card here says, Virgo, you are the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you. We are one. I love you. So I have two cards stating the fact that one loves the other. But there has been some problem here which we'll figure out. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading. Then we'll clarify these cards for Virgo. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo, please. So the card of faith came out, Virgo. If you're losing faith, losing hope, your prayers are being answered. You have to keep the faith a little while longer, it seems, knowing that the angels are listening to every cry of yours. I normally take out one card, but the second one just flipped with it, and both basically say the same thing. Alright, let's put this here and let's see what's going on now. Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody was looking for a balanced connection here, but they wanted to have victory maybe in this connection. They wanted truth, they wanted clarity, but I think instead a fight broke out here. Knight of Swords, Spirit. Knight of Swords. Yes. Tower came down. Somebody was instead made to feel like they lost the battle. Somebody, the other partner may have, been a bit arrogant or maybe been a bit rash with their words, been a bit rude, and they made their partner feel like nothing. And they felt really sad and heartbroken, and they saw their world crumble around them, where all they wanted was to have victory in a connection and just have truth and clarity as to, what was happening. But instead, okay, so Five of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Five of Wands in reverse. Oh, now I think somebody is now looking into the future and realizing that this is the person who makes me the happiest. This is my future, this is my sunshine. And now I think they're wondering how to end this fight, whatever fight has happened here, Virgo, between the two of you. Whether you fought with your partner fought with you, I have no clue. But somebody is now feeling that whatever rash movement they made, in fact, they are feeling like they are the loser now because they lost the best thing in their life. Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they're not happy with the way things are now growing in this connection. Maybe you guys are silent, not talking to each other. They feel, I've lost my soulmate here. A beautiful partnership which should have, been there forever and ever is now in jeopardy because they are sensing that their partner is no longer wanting to talk to them. Things have totally come to a standstill. It hurts. They know they've hurt their partner and they are hurting as well. Now they're realizing all their harsh words or this is, see, the Tower in reverse is a card of a person who knows what they've done. They know they caused this tower to fall. So now this person is manifesting something. Let's see what. What's this Magician, Spirit? Magician. Oh. One more. If there was anyone else in the mix, Virgo, this Magician doesn't want anyone else. In fact, they want to, if possible, move forward and have a creative new beginning or message their partner or something like that. Right now, they're a bit worried, I think, that their partner no longer wants to work with them. They're worried that they will not be given a second chance maybe, or things are stuck between the two of you. They are thinking of ways and means how to come forward now with an apology and heal this broken heart. Because right now, this Magician is also feeling like they are suffering very badly with bad luck on their side. Three of Swords, Spirit? Yes. Three of Swords. They want to apologize for being a liar or a cheat, or if they snuck away from a connection, they're coming to apologize for their behavior. for hurting their partner by behaving in such a sneaky and bad manner. This person has been thinking, they've had that epiphany now as to what their role was to create this beautiful soulmate connection to be in reverse now. This has put a big burden on this person as well, because they are feeling very, very burdened. They're not understanding how to now end the fight. Yes, they feel they've already been released because they didn't do the right thing. Their partner has now been drained of, so they feel the person is no longer giving any love. They feel the person is being drained out of that cup of love, is empty now. It's upside down. And it's never ever going to be offered to them again. And the thought of never achieving this Queen of Cups love is becoming a burden to this magician, who knows that they didn't bring justice, they didn't bring balance. They know why they have been released now from this connection. So now they want to end the fight, Spirit. 7 of Wands. Or they feel their person is no longer fighting for this connection. No, they want to end the fight. They definitely are waiting for, I think, this Queen of Wands to kind of cool down, lower her defenses, so they get an inkling that they can somehow do something to end this fight. This person is totally looking for a reconciliation. They want to come back and heal this situation, but right now they're a bit afraid, because they see this feminine as upset, angry, maybe a bit ungrounded, not very loving and nurturing towards them, and also giving that feeling to them that I've dropped you because you never committed to me. I've already dropped you. So what can we expect now, Spirit? What can we expect? Oh, there is some time. Yes, somebody has to take little more time, or maybe that's what this magician is doing. They're taking a little time of self-reflection. They're trying to figure things out, to see where they want to be. This is somebody who has to make a decision, so that now they can turn into the emperor and take control of the situation. This person has to go through this a bit of healing time to actually become that emperor who can come in their full power and say, okay, now I'm ready. Okay, and that's only come because this queen has withdrawn her love now. And because of that, whatever fight you guys had, I don't know. So keep the faith. Things are not over yet from what I feel. This has been a lesson for this magician who's trying to now manifest a return. But they have to not just manifest it, they have to also make things right. Action has to be taken, right? Inaction is also an action, Spirit says. Alright, so that's all I have for you, Virgo. Hope it worked for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.